The Trinity stitch creates a lovely texture. It's one of my favourite stitches to use for washcloths, and it's a simple one-line repeat. We're going to start with a foundation chain, chaining multiples of 3 plus 1. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1, and then add 1 extra chain to go into the first row. We're now going to crochet a single crochet into that second loop from the hook. Then, working into that exact same loop that you've just crocheted into, insert your hook, pull through once, insert into the following stitch, pull through, and also insert into the third stitch, pull through until you've got 4 loops on your hook, and then pull through all 4 of those loops and finish with a chain stitch. Now we're just going to do that again. Insert your hook into that last stitch that you crocheted into the next one, into the next one, 4 loops on the hook, and pull through all 4, and then finish with a chain stitch. First one, second one, third one, and through all 4, finish with a chain stitch. Always start in that first loop that you've already crocheted into. And when you come to the end of the row, finish with a chain stitch again, and you should have 1 loop left, and do a single crochet into that last stitch, and there you go, that's your row finished. And now chain 1 to turn, and into the first stitch you're going to do a single crochet again, and then into that same stitch insert your hook, and then pull up your first loop, second loop in the second stitch, third stitch, third loop, 4 loops on your hook in total, and pull through all and finish with a chain stitch. One tip on those chain stitches, make sure you don't pull those too tight, otherwise it can be a little bit difficult to work into those stitches in your next row. So just nice and loose there. Last one in my row here, 3 again, pull through all 4 loops, finish with a chain stitch, and then a single crochet into the last stitch. And that's the Trinity stitch for you. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!